Hey friends, this is Rochelle from Caliente Springs, and today I'm really excited. I have a Loft Home delivery video for you, so I'm gonna roll the footage from that, and then I'll show you a first look tour inside. Here's our newest home at Caliente. We're so excited for it. Wow, that is just gorgeous. I'm excited to look inside it. All right, so the driver is about to back the home into this lot right here. It's a fantastic location next to the clubhouse. Okay, here's our first look inside this home, and you'll notice that there are just a ton of windows. So we've got 8 up here on the front. The top ones come into a point. It's very pleasing. And then we've got clear story windows all up here on the side. And on this side, 2 clear story windows. We've got a slider, and then we have a breakfast nook. There's the loft railing up there. This is a double loft, so there's 1 loft here and then 1 loft that is over the bedroom. This kitchen is a U-shaped kitchen. We have white cabinets, silver hardware, stainless steel appliances, and a gorgeous solid surface countertop. Couple more things that I want to point out in the kitchen. The backsplash is gorgeous. It has several different tones of gray. Next to the sink, there is a small dishwasher. Looks like it would be the perfect size for 2. The floor in this home is a lighter gray color. It's got a very chic, modern feel to it. Down the hallway, there is pantry space as well as a washer-dryer hookup right there. Bedroom has a large mirrored closet that slides open, and there's storage space underneath. Now we're at the top of the stairs. This loft is over the bedroom area. So there's this loft, and then I'll flip the camera. Now we're looking at the other loft that is over the kitchen area. These loft areas are fantastic for extra storage. Maybe you have some grandkids you want to put up here, or maybe you want to have some friends come and sleep up in this area. Here's a view into the bathroom. We don't have the electricity hooked up yet, so I can't turn the lights on, but we have a square sink as well as the backsplash from the kitchen continues on into the bathroom, and then the shower's over there. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you'd like to know more information about the homes that we sell here at Caliente Springs, please let us know. You can give us a call or you can email us.